All right, I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to hopefully fix the Chrome browser issues that we're having. Several of you have blocked pages or blocked images, and that's from settings that are like a month old. So for some reason, some of your settings have not been updating as we've changed the filter. So if you cannot access Wikipedia, that's one specific website that I know that we unblocked. So Wikipedia, if you can't access that site, you'll get a block page that says something about the local host. That is just a block page that's saved in your browser history, which we're going to clear in just a little bit. So a couple things first. What you want to do is click on the three-dot menu at the top and go to Settings. And we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom till you see Advanced. Click on that, and then again scroll all the way to the bottom. And the second to the last setting is here for the system. This is one of the problems here, is continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. If that's set to on, you'll see this little icon down here in your system tray. And that means Google, even when you close it, it's still running in the background, which I think is not allowing it to get any updates while it's still open. So in order to make sure that it's completely closed, you want to disable that. So you can do that in the settings here. That will get rid of that little icon. Or you could actually right click. If you notice that in the future, you can click on it and then check where it says let Google Chrome run in the background. Just click that and it will deselect it. There's two methods to change the same settings. So that's the first step. We want to make sure that Chrome is not running in the background. So any changes that we make aren't going to be saved while it's still open. I mean, the previous things aren't going to be continually reapplied. So the next thing, we're going to clear the cache that's found in the history. So click on the same three-dot menu, scroll down to history, and then actually click on history. You could also use the shortcut Control-H. And then here we're going to click on clear browsing data in the left-hand side. And we want to clear these two categories, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. And you want to select all time and then clear data. And it may take a little while. Depending on how long you've been using your computer, it may take several minutes. So you could just continue, doing your other stuff and check back here and see if it's done. And then ultimately, when it's finished clearing all the data, you're going to close Chrome completely. Make sure that it's not still open somewhere down here. And then just to be safe, we're going to restart the computer. Make sure that everything is closed. So next time you open it up, it's starting from scratch, and hopefully we'll grab the new settings. Oh, mine just finished. All right, so now you can just close everything down. Make sure that that Chrome thing is not open anywhere. Then go into the start menu, click the power button, and do a restart. When it loads up again, we're going to load Chrome. It may ask you to sign in again, and that's actually a good sign because that means it's going to apply today's settings. It's going to be fresh. So go ahead and sign in to get here and just immediately go to Wikipedia to see if you can get there. You should be able to load the page now. If you can't, send me a message and an email letting me know that you can't, so that process did not work for you. Hopefully I won't get any of those messages. And the other thing you can check is just do like a search and then see if any of the images are blocked. You shouldn't have any blocked images. And if you're getting blocked images or there aren't many results, you may have some settings used in the tools. So if you expand the tools settings, and this is one that we had in place temporarily was the usage rights. If it's just labeled for reuse, it will limit your image search down. So you could just click on that and select not filtered by license. And hopefully, if you scroll down, you don't see any blocked images. So those are the two things you can check just to see if the change in settings worked. Navigate to Wikipedia and then do an image search and make sure there are no blocked pages. So go through those steps and hopefully this will save you needing to drop off your computer over break. But we're going to try to get this resolved. Thanks.